When simplifying fractions, you want to make sure you find the greatest common factor of the two numbers, both denominator and numerator. Once I find the greatest common factor, in this case it would be 4, I would divide by a fraction equal to 1 that was made up of 4s. Then I would solve straight across. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 4/8 is the same thing as saying 1/2. There are also different scenarios in which you have a fraction that's greater than 1. I know this fraction is greater than 1 because the numerator is bigger than the denominator. In order to simplify this fraction, there's a few ways, but I want to show you kind of the reasoning behind the way we do it. So we want to first figure out how many 3/3 are in 8/3. I know there's 1. This would be 6/3. 7, 8, that's only 2 more thirds, so I would pull out a 2/3. And this is what 8/3 is made of. It's made of 2 3/3 and 1 2/3. Each of these 3/3 really means 1. 1, 1. If I think of 1 plus 1, I'm going to get 2. 2/3 left over. This is how I change a fraction to a mixed number. There are some shortcuts with this. I can say 8/3 is the same thing as saying how many 3's are in 8? 3, 6, okay. There's 2 wholes, and then there are 6, 7, 8. There's 2 left over. Hopefully that helps. Thanks.